How to create Excel charts using VBA. If you have ever wished to automate the process of creating charts in Excel, you are in for a treat. Today, we will walk through how to use Visual Basic 4 applications to create charts efficiently. This method not only saves time but also allows for dynamic chart creation that can be very useful in reports or dashboards. First, you need to prepare your data. Make sure you have your numerical data organized in a worksheet range. This is important because charts requiring a data source to function properly. Next, open the Visual Basic 4 Applications editor by pressing Alt and F11. This will take you to the environment where you can write your code. Now let's start a subroutine. You can do this by typing sub create chart. This is where your chart creation code will live. After that, you will need to declare some variables. For example, you can declare a variable for the chart and another for the data range. You can write dim_cht as chart object and dim_rung as range. Once you have your variables, it is time to set the data range. Assign the range of cells that contains your data to the variable. For instance, you can write set rung is equal to active sheet, rain, A1, B5. Now let's add a chart object to the worksheet. You can use the chart objects add method to create an embedded chart. Specify the position and size by writing set CHT is equal to active sheet, chart objects, add left is equal to 100 top is equal to 50 width is equal to 400 height is equal to 300. Next, link the chart to your data range by using CHT, chart, set source data source is equal to rung. This step connects your chart to the data you want to visualize. Now it is time to specify the type of chart you want to create. You can choose from various types such as column, pie, line, or scatter. For example, you can write CHT, chart. Chart type is equal to Excel column clustered for a clustered column chart or CHT, chart. Chart type is equal to Excel pie for a pie chart. You can also customize your chart elements. For instance, if you want to add a title, you can write CHT, chart, has title is equal to true and CHT, chart, chart title, text is equal to sales data. Similarly, you can add axis titles by using CHT, chart, axis Excel category, has title is equal to true and CHT, chart, axis Excel value, has title is equal to true. If you want to adjust the chart's position or size, you can modify the left, top, width, and height properties of the chart object. Here is a simple example of what your complete code might look like. Sub create chart. Dim CHT as chart object. Dim rung as rain. Set rung is equal to active sheet, range, A1, B5. Set CHT is equal to active sheet, chart objects. Add left is equal to 100 top, is equal to 50 width, is equal to 400 height, is equal to 300. CHT, chart, set source data source, is equal to rung. CHT, chart, chart type is equal to Excel column clustered. CHT, chart, has title is equal to true. CHT, chart, chart title, text is equal to sales data. CHT, chart, axis Excel category, has title is equal to true. CHT, chart, axis Excel category, axis title, text is equal to month. CHT, chart, axis Excel value, has title is equal to true. CHT, chart, axis Excel value, axis title, text is equal to revenue. End sub. For additional tips, consider creating chart sheets, which are charts on their own sheet. You can also use the with statement to simplify your code when setting multiple properties of the chart. If you want to create dynamic charts, you can programmatically adjust the data range based on the size of your dataset. This method aligns with advanced Excel techniques for charts and visualization, making your reporting tasks more efficient. With these steps, you can easily create and customize charts in Excel using Visual Basic 4 applications. Happy charting!